What is up, guys? And today's video is me telling you guys or teaching you guys how to make a Minecraft 1.8 server with Craftbukkit 1.8.7, Spigot 1.8.7, and our build. So guys, first thing you do is you open your browser, and you're gonna go to the first link in the description, which will be here. You're gonna download it. It's called Git. You need it for this process. It might take a minute to download. It might not. So guys, so you don't have to wait for a whole 40 seconds. I'm kidding, I'm not gonna pause. What you're gonna do is you're gonna wait for it to download. Okay, actually give me a sec. I'm gonna pause. And I'll see you when it downloads. Okay guys, I'm back, and it should pop up like this, but it will ask for authorization. If you're not an admin master, you cannot do this. I should have mentioned that. You have to be an admin master of the computer. If you're not, it basically will ask you to sign in to an admin master's account. So just warn you, you do need administration to do this. Next. You paste wherever you want. I'm gonna keep it in the normal place. I'm not gonna mess with this stuff. I just think it's pretty good. And next. Yes, I will use Git Bash only. Unless you're on a Mac, of course. But I'm not a Mac. Next, and it will download a crap ton of files. Wait till it's done, it shouldn't take that long. Unless you have some with like a slow computer, it shouldn't take that long. Even if you have a slow computer, it shouldn't really take that long at all. I'm not going to read the reasons. Finish. Once that's done, you basically need your third thing. You're just going to go to the second link in the description, which will bring you to Jenkins.com, same thing, and you're going to download BuildTools.jar. All you're going to do is click on the link right here, thing. Okay, it is not it's harmless, basically. It's just your computer's not used to .jars, guys. And it's my big. Once that's downloaded, I'm going to go on your desktop, doesn't matter what, of course, and create a folder. I'm just going to call it Build Tools. I'm going to open it up. Another file for minimize this one, my downloads, and I'm just going to grab this right there. What you're going to do is I'm going to create. I would advise you to go download Notepad++, I'll leave a link in the description, but the third link, I would call it, in the description should be a download link to Notepad++. And I'm just going to open it like this. It should open like this, and I'm just going to paste this. Oh, no. Okay guys, please give me a sec. I have to get this to show you guys. Be back. Okay guys, I'm back, and I got the code. This will be in the description too. This is the latest thing. There will most likely be 3 codes because there is a 1.8, a 1.8.3, and a latest. I'm going to use the latest just for the example. Now I'm going to go here. I'm going to click Save As, and I'm going to go to my desktop, and I'm going to find BuildTools. Open it up and save it there. Of course, before you save, I'm just going to call it Start. And I'm going to save it as a batch file. Set save. I'm going to back out of this. I'm going to go back to this folder and view. I'm going to start it up. That was a fail. Delete. not save it as a bash. Save as it did, right? Maybe so, and that's only me, so save. Oh, I forgot I just saved that to my desktop. Oh yeah, guys, I'll be right back to figure this out, so give me a sec. Okay guys, I am back, and the reason is because I had the wrong code. I had a code for Java, and I'm not running this as a Java. So I got the right code. Now, new file, save as, batch, firewall.bat, name it start. Save it as .bat file. Just go here, build tools, delete the one that's already in here, and save this. See, I can launch it out. It will go through a crap ton of coding. This could take up to 20 minutes, it could take up to 10 minutes, it could take up to 2 minutes. It matters how slow your computer is. So guys, I'll be right back once this is done. It should run all the codes. So guys, I'll be right back. Okay guys, when it is done, it should look just like this. Say success, everything compiled. Successfully copying final.jar file. Now I'm able to copy all these all the files you need. So I'm going to just push enter, and all these files will pop up. You can use these files on the top part, or you can just go into the folder and go to target, and then they'll be in here for extra. Same thing with Spigot, and you go to Spigot server, target, and they'll be in here. And you got Spigot API, target, they'll also be. But this is the API stuff, so I'll let you know. So guys, I'm going to teach you how to kind of set up the server. Make a new folder. And name it server. Open that folder. Drag it over here. Go full screen. For example, I'm just going to drag Spigot in here. See there? Back to that, I'm going to keep this. And guys, I'll be right back when I get the code for it. So guys, I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back, and there's the code in the background. I will have that in the description too. And where it says 1024 MB, you can rise it up to anything you want as long as your RAM. That will show you. As long as your RAM can hold it, which I need to show you that. Just give me a sec. You're gonna save it as a batch file to your server folder. So that's saved. Oh, I have to change the name. Please give me a sec. Say boom, and I'm just going to rename this. it should pick it up. It's going to load all the libraries and with a 1 gig. It's going to load up this. And click the URL, EULA. You're going to go in there and you're going to set false to sure. I'm going to click this again. It should load up all the libraries this time. It should open on the port 25565. It will load in the spawn area, etc. It goes down. I'm just gonna force it to stop, and I'm gonna teach you guys how to port forward without actually using your default gateway. A lot of people here say you have to use your default gateway. There is another way. I'm just gonna open a new folder so I don't have to show this. You're gonna click network. If you're on a Windows 8 computer, you might have to go into your settings to enable more devices or add. Here's my you're gonna go to network infrastructure, and you're gonna click whatever here. There should be one thing, and that should be 2 hours in your house. Right click on it, you're gonna go to properties. You're gonna go to settings. Once this loads up, it should pop up. Wow, it's gonna take a while. I don't know why. Okay. Here we go. And then here you're gonna add. I'm gonna type in, I'm just gonna name it Minecraft. IP address. All you're gonna do is get that. And push the Windows key in our exact same key. You open up like that. You're going to type in cmd. You type in IP config. Here's your IP. Most of the time the 192.168.1 is the same, but this number will be different. So just type in 192.168.1.102. External 25565. 25565. And guys, this is really normal. Your IP address will always change. It's normal to do that more. I say your computer moves an inch, it might change. You never know. So okay. Click OK. Back out of this. Now I'm going to put forward it and start Minecraft. And I'm going to restart the server. If you guys don't want to waste your time, open up your browser. I'm just going to look up open IP port, open port checker. Just search that up. I'll mostly leave a link in the description. This one, or you can go to canyousseeme.com. That's a good one. But I'm gonna go here. Now I'm gonna type in 25565 and check. Port is open, so that means it's been port forwarded. Now this is up. Start Minecraft. This might look really bad for you because the recorder I'm using, yeah, whatever. It doesn't really, it's not made to recording games. So it might look a little bad. And be a little lag. Just sad. And if you're wondering what your IP address is, your public IP address, not use or give people your other IP address. Let's type in just because it's not going to be a point of it. This is going to be your public IP address. It will say it. It will be just correct numbers. I'm going to do that. I'm going to paste it in there. Type in 25565. Boom. and it's pinging, and there we go. Now, for some odd reason, it has the worst connection in the world. There we go, now it's full connection. If you connect, as you see, there's me. And as you see, this is open world kind of situation. It's all good. It's your world. You can have plugins. You can make it your own server. Really, God, you can do whatever you want. Like, you can help yourself. You can do really, God, literally whatever you want. Now I can just do slash game mode 1. You can do literally whatever you want, anytime, any day. You can go in survival, you can keep it survival, don't even opt people, it's your choice. You can make this a survival with plugins. Who knows? It's really your choice. You can dig a hole, you can build a house, it does not matter. So guys, I am going to see you guys next time. Next video. This was a pretty long video, and I'm sorry for that. But guys, I'll see you next time. Peace.